All right, so in this part, I went over a brief simplification of meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, where each line is going to be a chromosome, and at the end, I show you the possible combinations if meiosis 1 and 2 go properly, e.g., don't have non-disjunction. They separate perfectly fine. So, brief layout, these are the general ones and twos. You have an interphase, prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, or however you want to think about it. These are the general steps. Interphase, chromosomes condense, prophase, part of the prep work for metaphase. In meiosis, there's some crossing over, but that's not really pertinent to this question. Metaphase is when your chromosomes are going to align along a plate. Anaphase is when they split apart, and then telophase is when the cell itself splits into two different things. So I have labeled here, chromosomes align before separating in metaphase. This is what we're concerned about. Then we have meiosis metaphase 1, meiosis metaphase 2. In 1, we're looking at mom as an example, so I didn't have to do two different colors. She has her X chromosomes there. They replicate, spindle fibers form, they align in metaphase and separate into 2, where we have an X chromosome with 2 chromatids in each part. We arrow down to metaphase 2. We have, looking at just one cell, one of our split cells, we have our X chromosome. It goes through all this, goes to metaphase again. It aligns along that plate. Sister chromatids are split apart. We have that twice from before because we have 1, 2. So now we'll have 4 because we're double replicating. Now you have 1 in each little split of the cell. If you look at the possible choices with this happening with dad, this happening with mom, you only have 2 possible combinations. You're either going to have an XX or an XY if everything splits properly. Now the question is asking how, essentially, when is it possible to get a kid that has an XYY chromosome?